Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the different types of questions we can have in the review form. So if I navigate to the review form editor, we can see our default review form questions here. And then let's take a quick look at the types of questions we can also add. So we can see from this list that we can have a drop-down, a grade drop-down, multiple checkboxes, radio button, single checkbox, text block, text input, and file upload. So if we take a look at these different question types, for instance, we can see that for the drop-down, it's very similar to the submission form. We just give it a name, description, and then the different options that can be chosen from. And we should note with each of these questions, when we add them, we should decide whether this response should be shown to the submitter. So this is an option we have. And we can also say whether the particular question is a grade question. So if I go to create a grade dropdown, the grade question toggle is already checked. With the grade dropdown also, the difference is that we can add our numerical values on this side, and then we can also have our display values here. So this can give some more context to the reviewer. So especially they can know how the scale works. So something like this. Then we can have a look at the multiple checkbox. So here it's pretty similar. We just have different options, and then when we create this, we'll just see different checkboxes that can be checked. It's very similar for the radio buttons and the single checkboxes. For the text block, here is where we can add a block of text partway through the review form, just to give more context to the review form. So there's no answer that's required for this. Next, we also have text input. So this is again very similar to the submission form. And here we can also give a word limit as well. And then last up, we've got file upload. So here again, it's what we can use this for specifically is if somebody uploads a file with the submission, and then the reviewers have to download that file and maybe make comments within the file itself or edit the file, they're then able to upload the file as part of their review form. Okay, so this sort of takes us through the different questions that we can add to the review form and how we can edit them. Thank you for watching.